This is a big night for us, right? This is a big night. Tonight is, and I'm gonna hold something up here, Jim, if you can give me a shot of this. This is show number, right there. This is episode 1447, okay, of the show.
That's right.
And you're like,
dude, that's huge.
and everybody at home in the studio is going like, obviously we all celebrate 1,447 of something. It's the 447th anniversary is always the most special one. Why is it important to you that you've done that many shows, Stephen? That's because 1,447 was the total number of shows of the Colbert Report we did. Back in the old days.
Working.
As of tonight, we've done as many of these shows as the Colbert Report.
Congrats.
Here's the 1447 more.
And
Here's the
congrats.
1447 more.
Congrats.
Folks, I am amazed and delighted by the pace of technology these days, is what I say on the air every so often, so the robots won't harvest me in the uprising. And I like to tell you all about the latest digital developments and the bleeps, the blorps, and the bloops. In my tech segment, Cyborgasm. We all do our best, Tom. We all do our best. First up on Cyborgasm, Volkswagen says that it's putting ChatGPT in its cars for enriching conversations. Conversations like, I have ChatGPT in my car. Really? Why? I don't know, man. I don't know. You ever just feel like it's the end, like we're living through the end? Anyway, officer, I have no idea why you pulled me over. The car company says drivers will be able to use ChatGPT for basic car functions as well as answering general knowledge questions, although it warns that user discretion is advised given ChatGPT's penchant for occasionally making stuff up. I'm gonna go ahead and say that making stuff up might be disqualifying for a 4,000-pound metal box hurtling down the highway at 80 miles per hour. Exit here for Starbucks. Psych, you were on a bridge. Gotcha. Lol, 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 lol. Last week in Las Vegas was the annual Consumer Electronics Show, the event that answers pressing questions like, what if your waffle iron was blockchain? This year, a company unveiled the world's first smart anti-snoring pillow. Finally, a replacement for the age-old anti-snoring technology. Evie putting her feet in the small of my back and flipping me like an omelet. Sometimes she just reaches out and runs her hand down my face to wake me up long enough so I'll stop snoring. But then I'll feel it, wake up and look, and she'll pretend to be asleep. So I think there's a stranger or a ghost in the house just rubbing my face. So I'm excited about this product, is what I'm saying. So many exciting new products. So many exciting new products were unveiled, including a smart toothbrush that talks through your bones. Okay, so it is the end times. They just can't find anything else to sell us. They don't need any more food. They've got more entertainment than they could possibly continue. What can we sell these flesh bags? Wait! We've never marketed directly to their bones before. That'll work. The bones don't have a brain. They'll fall for anything. Stupid bones. Anyway, the Bone Brush features an AI voice guide that uses bone conduction technology to offer tips to help improve your technique as you brush. Like if you're applying too much pressure or focusing too much time on one side of your mouth, all through spoken directions that only you can hear. Yes, just do what the toothbrush says. Nobody else hears you, but I do. Wait, what's that, Brushy? What's that? 4 out of 5 dentists agree killing Ronald Reagan would impress Jodie Foster? What? Next up, LG has unveiled the world's first transparent OLED TV. Perfect for anyone who loves watching TV, but also loves watching the wall behind their TV. Next up, AI girlfriend bots are already flooding OpenAI's GPT store. You can get a virtual sweetheart to send you questions like, what does your dream girl look like? And share with me your darkest secret. You know, girlfriend stuff. What's the most blackmailable thing you've ever done, baby? Now let's look into each other's eyes and say our favorite social security numbers. More news out of CES. The world's first ever smart binoculars can identify 9,000 birds thanks to built-in AI. Because if there's one time you really want to feel like you're hardwired into cyberspace, it's when you're bird watching. Reminds me of that famous Henry David Thoreau quote, "This pond sucks, needs more computers." We'll be right back with Clive Owen.